there and welcome back to Adroit Architecture. My name is Irene and we are your go-to channel for all things architecture and construction. Whether you're interested in a residential or commercial design, we've got you covered. If you're new here, I invite you to hit that subscribe button and join our community. We share top quality content absolutely free, and with your support, we can keep creating more inspiring and informative videos just like this one. So don't forget to like this video and share it with somebody who might need it. Let's dive into today's feature. We bring to you the Alcove 3-bedroom bungalow house plan. Have you ever heard of the phrase, simple is beautiful? That perfectly describes this home. The Alcove bungalow combines simplicity with elegance, offering a design that is both functional and visually striking. Let's take a look at some key features of this amazing 3-bedroom bungalow. Number 1, alcoves. True to its name, this home features charming alcoves in each bedroom and in the study room. These cozy nooks are perfect for relaxing, soaking up the sunlight, enjoying a good book, or simply unwinding at the end of a long day. From the outside, they add depth and beauty to the facade, transforming a simple layout into a true architectural gem. Number 2, the A-line roof. This home features a striking A-shaped roofline reminiscent of an A-frame home. It gives the home a unique silhouette and allows for vaulted ceilings in the living room, the dining room, and the kitchen. The results? A spacious, airy atmosphere that feels grand and inviting. Number 3, a spacious layout. This 3-bedroom bungalow offers ample space across all rooms, designed with comfort and functionality in mind. Let's explore the layout. As you walk in through the front porch, you're welcomed into a spacious living room that flows seamlessly into the dining area. All this is set up in an open plan configuration. This setup promotes connectivity and ease of movement between these two spaces. The kitchen is generously sized and comes with a walk-in pantry, perfect for all your storage. A side door next to the kitchen leads conveniently to the backyard garden and outdoor area. You have an outdoor dhobi area with a dhobi sink where you can set up your washer and dryer. As mentioned earlier, above, the vaulted ceiling stretches over the living room, the dining, and the kitchen spaces, enhancing the airy and expansive feel of these spaces. Bedroom 1 is located on the left side of the house and it comes with 2 nice and cozy alcoves. It has its own private and suite bathroom, a perfect private retreat. Bedroom 2 is nice and spacious. It has 1 nice cozy alcove and it has easy access to the shared bathroom. This shared bathroom not only serves bedroom 2 but is also very easily accessible by your guests. The study room comes complete with an alcove, offering a quiet and inspiring space for you to work and do all your study. At the rear of the home lies the master suite. Tucked away for privacy, it features a spacious layout, a luxurious ensuite bathroom, and 2 relaxing alcoves that add charm and tranquility. This beautiful bungalow sits on a plinth dimension of 18.7 meters by 14 meters. This makes it ideal for a 50 by 100 piece of land, that is an 1/8 acre. This size offers just the right balance between space and land use, giving you room for landscaping and setting up beautiful outdoor living areas. This home has a total floor area of 175 square meters. As I said earlier, it is spacious and all the rooms are well provided for. As at May 2025, the estimated construction cost of this home is approximately Kenya shillings 7.5 million. This figure is based on the construction cost handbook provided annually by the Institute of Quantity Surveyors of Kenya. Now keep in mind construction costs may vary depending on the location, the material choices, the finishes, and all that. So in summary, that is the Alcove 3-bedroom bungalow house plan, featuring 3 bedrooms, 3 full bathrooms, 1 study room, vaulted ceilings, and multiple alcoves for charm and comfort. So if you're interested in this home design or any other design that we have featured on our channel, get in touch with us. We have provided our email addresses and telephone contacts below for you to be able to reach us. Remember, each of our plans can be customized for your needs and for your budget. Thank you for hanging out with me today. I'll see you in our next video.